Oh, I just squashed a guy.
Did you?
Hi.
Holy shit.
Shot his pants. Oh! Did I just kill you with the heli?
You sure did, mate. Did you die?
Oh my god, I killed another guy as well. He's right above me. Poor guy, look at him. He's like, why did you do this to me? Why did you do this, Ezzy? I'm gonna drink. I drink! No!
That would actually be a nice photo there, Azzy.
Oh.
Azzy and his helicopter. Warning. This Battlefield 4 video includes dying, laughing, trolling, failing, glitching, shooting, camping, winning and squashing. If you enjoy these funny videos and feel like a bro, then please click the like button below. Enjoy.
Okay.
Fake!
We're drinking! What the fuck?
Oh, we're doing a wheelie, Azzy. What the fuck?
Oh, let me back, let me in!
Bye, have a great day.
What the fuck? What the fuck happened there?
You died.
How did I die?
Because you went into the water. Still got the quad bike though, Azzy.
Oh, that's good.
Azzy, I'm getting shot.
Alright.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Ah, we're stuck on this island, mate. We're going to need to go back the same way.
Where is he? It's happened again!
I don't know how that is.
Fucking hell!
There it is, yeah.
Holy shit!
What, did that guy just die?
Aye?
I think he ran himself over with his own boat.
Fuck me.
Did they jump in the hovercraft, mate? The right hand side.
Man, oh no, 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 you fucking dusty bastard! Oh.
You hit the sky high.
Woohoo! I'm alive.
I'm getting shot!
I'm alive!
Nope.
There he is.
Is this the guy who wants a knife fight? Oh, there he is.
This is it, Azzy. My knife fight.
Your knife fight, mate.
He wants my blood, and I'm gonna take him.
Knife fight.
Knife fight. Let's dance, Tom Cruise. Come at me, bro. I'm king of the knife fight.
Hang off the knife fight. Ah!
Ah, no, 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 no! Azzy! Oh. There's about 4 or 5 of them.
God, everywhere. There's a million of them.
There's so many. We're going back for revenge, Azzy.
Revenge is going to be sweet. There's loads of them. They've got C4 and
They've
shit.
got C4
Watch
there.
the C4, mate.
I'm going to watch it. You go the other way, I go this way.
Oh, all of them have got
Oh,
C4. Woohoo! Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I killed
Did you run them all in? There's another guy!
Oh my god! This is epic!
Oh my god! The red boat got us. You got like 5 of them! Fucking hell!
So what's up, guys? I'm Chaboy, and thank you for tuning in and watching. It's always much appreciated. And if you enjoyed, please do hit the like button down below and share with your friends, because there's a lot more fun stuff to come. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.